welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to install libraries and packages in R using RStudio step by step on Windows 11. If you are a beginner in R, a student or someone working in data science or bioinformatics, this video will help you clearly understand where R packages come from and how to install them properly. We will cover multiple methods to install packages, including installing from Crane, installing bioconductor packages, and installing packages from GitHub, and even how to uninstall packages safely. I will explain every command so you don't just copy paste but actually understand what's happening behind the scenes. So make sure you have R and RStudio installed, and let's get started. So many people get confused between installing a package and loading a package in R. So you install a package only once and you load the package every time when you run a script. So starting with the method 1, installation from Crane. So to install with Crane, we write the code is install dot packages in bracket and with double inverted commas or single inverted the name of the library. So I just press Control and Enter, and here you can say that my package is already installed. So to load the library, I will write the code will be library in bracket name of the library. So here you can see the library has been installed. Similarly, the same command can be used here in command line. So if I write here install dot packages and in the bracket name of package like dplyr, okay, and hit enter, it will again show that this package is already been installed, and I can also load the package from here. Now what to do in the case of if I want to install multiple packages at once. So in that case we use the same command install.packages, but we use two brackets. The in the inner bracket we write the name of all the libraries in inverted commas, like a tuple in Python, and we add a letter C outside of the bracket, and then we again press Control Enter, and it will install all the libraries. Here you can see it is installing. Now it is installed. Now now to load all the library that we installed, we will again load it like previously. You can see in the command line that all the libraries has been installed. Okay, now if you have to check how many installed packages are there, so to view we will type install.packages and hit control enter, and it will show us it will output a list of the number of all the libraries that we have with along with the certain parameters. So here you can see their location, package name, and their storage and all the parameters. Now, if you want only the name of the libraries, so you can write install dot packages in bracket, and you can open a square bracket with a command write inverted commas package. Okay, and hit control enter. Now in the output, you will only get the names of the libraries that we have installed. Okay, see, so here also you can see the command that I run install.packages, and in a bracket and then a square bracket, and here after a comma in inverted commas package. So all the packages that I have installed in my system are listed here. So this is one way to check how many packages have you installed. Okay, later we will see how to verify if a package I installed is there or not. So to update package, now the next step is to update a package. So update a package, we will use the command update dot packages in bracket ask is equal to false without asking. So it will update all the installed packages. So I am not going to run this command because I have so much of packages. So it will uh, be updating all. It will take a time. So you can update your all the packages using this command line. Now, the next method to install packages is from bioconductor. So to install packages from bioconductor, we will need to install a library called bioc manager. We will need to install it only once, and it is available on Crane. So to install it from Crane, we can directly write it install.packages and in bracket in inverted commas bioc manager, and we can hit enter. Otherwise, yeah, we can also use this loop to check if required, then we can enter, and you can see here it has been installing the BIOS manager, and it is successfully installed the BIOS manager in my system. Now using BIOS manager from bioconductor, if I have to install a library dseg2, okay, so I will write BIOS manager colon install and the name of the package in inverted commas inside the bracket. I will put enter. Now again here it will collect from the website, and it will download the library. So let's just wait, it's working. Now similarly, to load this package installed from bioconductor, the same step will be used, the same code will be used. We will write library in bracket the name of the library and press control enter, and it will install the no, so it will load the library for the script to use. So it's asking to update all, some none. I will go with none. Okay, now we will check if it is installed. Now it's loading the package. I will later explain a method in which you can bypass this all the meshes that flash in here, so that you can see it has been loaded successfully. Okay, you can see here this library DSec has been loaded. Okay, so there is a method by which we can bypass these flash messages that comes in command line. I will explain it later. Now the next method is installing from GitHub. So to install from GitHub, we will again need a package named DevTools. We will need to install it once. So to install it again from Crane, we will use install.packages in bracket in inverted commas DevTools, and we will press it enter. It will install the library. It will fetch the library from the package from Crane, and it will install it and store it in the folder. We will also see where it is stored. So let's just wait. Let's just look it installed, and it downloaded this binary packages in this particular folder in my system. Now if I have to load this library, I will type library and the name of the library. Okay, so it downloaded. Now I have to install a library or a package which is under development or in development, and it is hosted on GitHub. So the username of the GitHub repo and the name of GitHub repo is required. So first in inverted comma we will be putting the username, and in after this slash we will be putting the name of the repo. So to install a package directly from GitHub, we will write the code as devtools install underscore GitHub, and in bracket we will write r sorry, this is the name of user and the by slash and the name of the repo, and we'll press it control enter. Now it will install the particular library from the GitHub directly. It will face the user account and will face for the library, and it again it will ask you what would like to update. You can give it a command. So I would like to update all of the. It will go like this, and it will update, or it will download and install the use this package from the GitHub. Okay, it's done. So now when we will load the library using library and bracket use this, we can see the library has been loaded successfully. Now the next method is to install a package locally or offline. So in this case, you will need to go on the particular website of R where you can download the zip file. Okay, and then to install, you can just write install.packages, same command as used earlier, but instead of name of the command, name of the library, you will be pasting the address of the zip file in your system. and by separating by a comma, then repos is equal to null, comma, type is equal to windows dot binary in bracket, and the bracket will be closed and you will press control enter. Now this will install the package from zip file. Alternatively, for Linux or macOS, use this code, and here just one thing will change, from type will be source, and similarly the you can install the package from there. Now if you want to install package from Windows GUI of RStudio, you can go it here packages and click on install. Okay. If you want to install from Crane, you can go on Crane and you can just type the name of the package and it will suggest which package you want to install, and you can just select the package and the library where it is going to install dependency and click on install. It will install. Similarly, you can also install from zip file that you downloaded, or the compressed file. So select this and select the destination folder of your package where you downloaded by browsing, and the libraries, the destination of library, and click on install, and it will install the library and it will add into the packages list here. Okay. Now in the next method, we will see how can we install packages quietly. Installing packages quietly means installing packages where it does not show this much of warning messages in the prompt in the command. So to install, we will again use the same script, same code line, install.packages, and the name of the library in brackets. It will be followed by a comma and quiet is equal to true. Now this particular parameter or variable will force the RStudio to install the package in a quiet mode. So let me run this. So you can see it just gave me one warning and successfully unpacked. So it does not give me unnecessary extra installing steps. Now to load this, I will just now travel to now. You can see the library has been loaded in the script. Okay. Now if I have to check the package of an check the package version of installed package, so I can just simply type package capital V version in bracket name of the package. So if I put enter, there is no package called dplyr. Maybe dplyr I deleted while doing this. So let us check for cats. Okay. So we can see we have installed package for cats 1.0.1. Okay. Similarly, if I want to check for any other package, so can we check that? What other package we installed? We can see for DE-sec2. Okay. So for DE-sec2. Okay. Oh, there is an error. Now we can see the package version is 1.48.1. Okay. So by this we can check which version of the package having installed. Now where our package is stored. So to check that, we can write .lib paths and followed by a bracket. Now you can see there are two paths where in my system the all the packages are being stored. You can also, while installing, choose the path in which you want to install. The default will be the first one. Okay. Now to uninstall a package, so you will just have to write a to remove single package, you will just write remove.packages in bracket and our inverted commas and the name of the package. I will hit enter and it will remove the package. Now, if you want to check that a package has been removed, okay, before that, let's see how we can remove multiple packages. So we saw earlier that how we can install multiple packages. Similarly, to remove multiple packages, we will write remove.packages. We will initiate two brackets. In first bracket, we will write the letter C, and in second bracket, we'll make a tuple of all the name of the libraries or packages that we want to uninstall or remove. Similarly, like here, and then we will press Control Enter, and it will remove all the specified packages. Now, if we want to verify, we just have to write the name of the package that we just uninstalled in inverted commas and check whether it is in installed packages or not. है ना? Then press enter. So it will say false. This does mean that it does not lies in the installed packages list. You can also check by method library and then just we install reader. So let's install reader. Okay, now let's press hit enter. It just says it just says it's there. There might be some issue maybe, or it might be installed in the other location or the second location. As you saw, there are two locations in my system where it has been installed. So this is how we will be installing all the libraries and uninstalling all the libraries. Yeah, I will be uploading this script in the description of the video. So check out the script if you want to check your hands on. Do it by yourself to perform and to learn. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please like it, subscribe it, and share.